హాయ్ అండి, అందరికీ వెల్కమ్ టు మై కెమిస్ట్రీ లైఫ్ ఛానల్. సో ఈరోజు టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి ఇంటర్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ గురించి. ఇంటర్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఫిజిక్స్లో నేను లాస్ట్ చాప్టర్ నుంచి ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో దిస్ వాజ్ ది లాస్ట్ చాప్టర్, కైనెటిక్ థియరీ. సో ఈ కైనెటిక్ థియరీని మనకి ఇచ్చిన సైంటిస్ట్స్ ఎవరంటే మ్యాక్స్వెల్ అండ్ ది బోల్ట్జ్మాన్. సో వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ సైంటిస్ట్స్ అండి. ఇది మొత్తం ఈ ఇద్దరు ప్రపోజ్ చేసిన థియరీస్ మీదే బేస్ అయి ఉంటుంది. అండ్ గైస్ టాపిక్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతే మనకి ఎన్ని టాపిక్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో నేను ఒక్కొక్క టాపిక్ చాలా క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తాను. జస్ట్ ఈరోజు కొంచెం ఇంట్రడక్షన్ అండ్ వాళ్ళ గురించి, వాళ్ళు ఏం ప్రపోజ్ చేశారు, దాన్ని బట్టి ఫార్ములా ఏంటి అని నేను చెప్తాను. నో వరీస్. సో మనం లెసన్లోకి ఎంటర్ అవుదాం. The velocity attained by the molecules in any state of matter, it is directly proportional to the temperature received or increased. So ఇక్కడ ఏం చెప్తున్నారంటే the velocity attained by the molecules అంటే మాలిక్యూల్స్ యొక్క వెలాసిటీ in any state of matter. any state के क्या है? solid, liquid and gases. So in any state of matter, so it is directly proportional. This is directly proportional to the temperature. Directly proportional to the temperature. It means the received or increased. Okay, guys. So these are the some laws, gas laws. And guys, see guys, if you won't understand anything, please comment me. I can solve your problems. Okay, guys. Yeah. So next, go guys. Yeah, gas laws. So Boyle's law and Charles law. So the very two major laws. Inversely. P inversely proportional to the 1 by V. P क्या है? pressure. V क्या है? volume. P into V equals to constant. Okay. Yeah. And next, P is directly proportional to the temperature when it is according to the Charles law. And guys, very important, Charles law and Boyle's law. In Charles law, pressure is directly proportional to the temperature, and PV by T means pressure into volume by temperature is equals to constant when according to the Charles law. Okay, guys. Yeah. And next, if gas contains n number of molecules, then PV is equals to nRT. So if gas has some n molecules, you don't know how many molecules the gas contains. So then the number of molecules of gas contains. So then the formula is PV is equals to nRT. So we can go further and we can know what's the specific letters mean it. Okay. Yeah. R is equals to gaseous constant. क्या है? gaseous constant. R is equals to, it's universal gaseous constant. Okay, universal. And this was the fixed value of universal gaseous formula. Okay na? N is nothing but the number of moles. क्या है? molecules. Okay. Yeah. And next, so by this process we can know that we should know what is the meaning of real gas and ideal gas. So first I would like to teach you ideal gas. Okay. Ideal gas, it's nothing but the real gas. It's mean perfect gas. So what it's mean? Okay, let's see. Boyle's law, Charles law and Gay-Lussac law. So it's mean we have discussed until these two laws, and now at last law, afterwards we can discuss about it. So these two laws, see the gas, very important this one. The gas which obey these three laws at any temperature, at any pressure, temperature or volume. Volume was not there here. So A gas which obeys these three laws at any pressure and temperature, then it is an ideal gas. So it's very important. This means which gas obeys these three and have at any temperature and pressure, then these three laws obey. That means it is the ideal gas. Okay. PV is equals to nRT. PV is equals to nRT. So N क्या है, number of moles, R क्या है, universal gas constant, and T क्या है, temperature. Okay. PV by T is equals to NR. So we have turned this temperature into here. Okay na? Yeah. We had done by. If N is equals to 1 mole, just assume. Okay. If N is equals to 1 mole, PV by T is equals to R. R क्या है, universal gas constant. So it means R is equals to NKBT. NKBT. So what it means? So PV by T is equals to NKB. How we can write? PV by T is equals to R. Substituting R is equals to NKB T. So we can substitute R is equals to NKBT. Here we have done that. So P is equals to the T went to again after equals to, after it means it will into. Yeah, into T. Then P1 V1 by T1 is equals to P2 V2 by T2 is equals to KB. Okay na. So KB it's nothing but the Boltzmann constant. So KB just belongs to the Boltzmann constant. Okay guys, yeah. And next, the gas which contains equal volumes, equal pressures and equal temperatures, then it had equal molecules. So then it is mole. 1 mole. So what it means? Equal volume, equal pressure and equal temperature. It means volume, pressure and the temperature. So this whole chapter just belongs to this volumes, pressures and temperatures only. Means these are mainly based on these. Okay guys. So I think so you have from basics, you know that Avogadro's number 1 mole is equals to 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. Yeah. So by this mole we can get the 22.4 liters. For what? STP. STP क्या है? Standard temperature pressure. I have written here. Standard temperature pressure. Any gas, then it is equals to atomic weight. So 22.4 liters was the fixed STP for some gases. Belongs to some gases. Okay. So in that gases, when 22.4 liters are proportional to the gas, then it is equal to the atomic weight. Okay na? It's very simple. Yeah. And next. So temperature is equals to 300 K. Pressure is equals to 1 atm. And 1 atm क्या है? 1.013 into 10 power 5 pascals. Okay na? Yes. So this was the standard for every temperature, for every pressure. It is very important pressure and the competitive exams also it will be. Okay. And next. Ne is equals to Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number क्या है? 6.023 into 10 power 23 joules. Yeah. Okay na? So according to the ideal gas equation, PV is equals to nRT. What gas? PV is equals to nRT. So R is equals to NaKB. KB you should write here B. Okay. R is equals to NaKB. So substitute करेगा क्या? Substitute करेगा NaKB T. So see here, PV is equals to nRT. क्या? PV is equals to nRT. R is equals to NaKB. In R we have substituted this one. So N and T. So you know what's the meaning of R? It's this one. Okay na? Yeah, we have substituted. So then R is equals to, you have already known as universal gas constant and any Avogadro's number, you know KB is equals to Boltzmann constant. We have already discussed these three. Then N is equals to M by M naught is equals to N by N. So what it mean? M and Na. What it mean? So it means M is equals to mass of gas which contains N number of molecules, and M naught mass of gas which contains Avogadro's number of molecules. So by this M naught N Na we can find Kb value in ideal gas equation. So it means that every molecule had some number of moles and Avogadro's number. So every molecule had this both. Okay guys. Okay. PV is equals to NaKBT. So you have discussed. Not if by substituting we can get this formula. And T is equals to 300 K. We have already discussed. And pressure is equals to 180 mm. These are the fixed. I have already told for you. So this one also. These are the fixed values which I have kept arrow marks. So these are the fixed values. Okay now. So Na is equals to, these are also fixed. Avogadro's number never change, and N is equals to number density based on the number of the molecule, and V is equals to 1 unit volume, or if they can give in the volume, then you can go with it. So next, see here, this was the flow chart of simply we can understand in a very clear way. Ideal gas nothing but pressure and temperature both are directly proportional. See here they have a straight line. Straight line assumes that it is both equal. And see here temperature was low, pressure was high. So it means these both are inversely proportional, and pressure and the temperature in ideal gas were directly proportional. So this means this real gas just turns into ideal gas. Okay guys, here. And next, constant means it should be satisfy the all temperatures. It should be satisfies the temperature. Okay, I have shown you here these graphs, so it may clear you. Okay, PV curve means pressure and volume curve Boyle's law, and VP curve Charles' law. Okay, it's very simple. Yeah, see here, when the volume and pressure is in the same way, then it is constant. So straight line, see here, straight line, it means the constant. So see here, straight line constant. When it go upwards, it's not constant. So this was the introduction and some proposals of the scientists Boyles and Charles. So guys, please subscribe my channel Chemistry Life, like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.